The National Weather Service in Duluth has issued a tornado warning for southwestern Aiken County and east-central Minnesota, southern Crow Wing County and east-central Minnesota, until 10:30 p.m. At 9:42 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near St. Matthias and moving east at 30 miles per hour. This dangerous storm will be near Pine Center around 10:10 p.m. Garrison around 10:15 p.m. In the warning include South Long Lake, Erskine Lake, and Camp Lake. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.